How to restore deleted photos and videos in 2025. If you want to restore those deleted photos and videos, now first of all, depending upon the phone that you're using, let's say I have my gallery and I have a couple of photos which I tend to accidentally deleted. So I tapped on the delete icon, then I tapped on this move to trash icon, and then it has been deleted. Now, what can I do to restore it? Most of the phone companies or smartphone manufacturers nowadays offer us the way to recover our photos within certain days. So, this is possible on both Android and iPhone. Open the phone or the gallery app on your phone, then look for the trash or recycle bin. In the case of my Samsung phone, I can go to this menu icon, then I can go to this trash icon where I can find the photos that I've deleted, then I can tap the restore button to restore them. Now, if you have also deleted from the trash or it's already past the recovery process or the days also, in that case you cannot recover it. Sometimes luckily you might have actually turned on backup on your Google Photos, because Google Photos or iCloud, if you're using iPhone, you might have enabled the backup. So if you've accidentally enabled it sometime, in a good way now you might be able to find those photos if you had backed them up to your cloud or your drive. So this way you can recover or restore deleted photos and videos. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.